Good morning, everyone. Today is June 22nd, 2025, and I'm going to be doing the Dalmajung 2024 unboxing. As you guys already know, I made the first purchase for the Dalmajung with the ring set and also the earrings and also the additional earring charms, but now these are the other Dalmajung 2024, and this one is, guess it right, the jewelry box. So let's open it all together. Ta-da! This is super nice. Let's make sure I remove it carefully. So this is how it looks, and this is the jewelry box cover. There you go. This is the front of the jewelry box. Has the BTS logo kind of embossed on the cover, and this is the back again with the BTS logo. And when you open it, it tells you 2024 Dalmajung, and our jewelry is gonna be perfectly fit in here. And to cover it, isn't this nice? And I also bought the 2024 Dalmajung official light stick deco band, so I can use this on my army bomb right there. And it's really nice. I don't need to open it since you guys can see it right here. And the very last one, this one, I really love this one, so I said why not order it. And let me show you. Ta-da! This is super neat. It got sold out so many times before I can make the purchase. So here you go. You can look at it. And right here, it's the army logo. And this one comes with two little cups. And I really love this one. It's really nice. So there you go. You guys can see it. Until the next unboxing. Good night. Hope you enjoyed the video.